church and club are saluting our opportunity now as the protocols passing in the mushrooms God releases front of us and the list of passing. Nowadays in the house there is research center and it's a signal station as well. Sometimes you see kids coming over with a little expression book and they have visitors from the house process on the inside. Many open only for small children.